This is so in this session, I want to show you how to use IBI's standard templates, and also how to add them to your directory of shortcut in Revit, so you don't have to go through folders to get there every time you want to start a project. So when you open your Revit and you go to New, you should by default see the standard templates for IBI in here. But in case you don't see that, I want to show you where they're actually located. If you go to I, Technical Standards, you see a list of all the standard templates that IBI has. So I go to Revit 2016, Template Projects, and then in here, these are the major standard templates for IBI's projects. So unless your project has the standard setup of its own, usually 99% of projects are actually started from one of these templates. And the benefit of using these templates is actually could be another session to explain, but just to give a brief understanding of it, it is when you use these templates, it's already come with pre-populated standards embedded in them, so you don't have to create everything from scratch. So IBI Architecture 2016 working drawing metric is what you would be using 99% of the time. And then there is another lighter version, which is called a lightweight template. And as you can see, it is significantly smaller in size. So this one is really created to be used in conjunction with your standard template. And it's usually used to be for the work like plans or groups that you want to create separately and then link them into your standard template. And then we recently have added a template for light rail transit as well. But right now I want to show you something else. If you open your Revit and you don't see any of these templates here, that's how you actually direct your Revit, change the defaults of your Revit to get here. So when you open the big R, you go to Options. In here, you go to File Locations, and then supposedly this would be empty for you. Then you add the directory I, Technical Standards, Revit, Projects, and then you can add any of them that you need. This small project is really particularly made for smaller projects, and the ones that you really need to have in there to avoid going through like folders to get there is really the WDM, which is metric. And then there is an imperial version in case it's needed to the project to be in imperial, and then the lightweight. So you can add all of these to your directory, and then once you open your Revit and you want to create a new project, all of these will come in that drop down.